Hey guys, Pratham here again. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little less scientific video. I'm going to be doing a gaming video, not really gaming, but a gaming review unboxing video on the Gamesir T4 Mini. It's a multi-platform gaming controller. It can work on your Switch, your laptop, PC, or your phone, Android or iOS. So without further ado, let's get into it. So yeah guys, here is the Gamesir T4 Mini, and like I said, this is going to be an unboxing video, and yeah, let's get to it. So first of all, you obviously have the picture of the actual controller on the front. Gamesir T4 Mini multi-platform gaming. Sides, there's not really much here. On the top is just a little detail about what it can connect to. Obviously, the Switch, phones, PC, I already told you about that. Barcode. Nothing really on the bottom, and on the back it explains a little bit more, just in a bunch of different languages, but it's like 6-axis gyroscope, dual motors, all that fancy stuff. Just a little explanation of the what it can do, more than the actual what it is. And game controller right here, you can see. And yeah, let's get into the actual box. So you open it up, and then you just find a lot of compartments, but you pull this out. Gaming is winning. Nice. It's true. And in here, there's just the actual controller. Let me just get that out. And there appears to be a cable as well. And here you have the controller, the cable, instruction manuals, and this little sticker thing. Not really sure what that is. Not important. Box, there's not really anything in there. You can throw that away. And there's nothing else in the big box either. Alright, so what kind of cable is this? This is alright, so this thing charges through USB-C. So if you already have an Android phone, then that's perfect. If you have an Apple, you might need to go out and get a better charger for one of these, because if you use an Apple one, it's probably not going to charge as effectively. And then you have the user manual, so you can just read this on your own time. I'm sure it has a bunch of basic stuff, how to control it, what everything does, how to connect it, battery, all that safety stuff. It appears to be in English and some other language. And then we have the actual controller. It's in this pretty nice, actually, plastic packaging. There's a bit of tape. Let me just get in there. And wow, this is pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, this is the actual controller. It feels nice. The joysticks, they're smooth. The buttons are smooth. They almost have like a glossy feel to them. There's the charging port. And yeah, it's pretty small. I mean, you can see it's about as big as your hand, my hand. But it's so compact, and this is great for if you're traveling a lot, or if you just don't really have if you want to just game on the go, or even if you're just gaming at home but you don't want to buy one of those big controllers. This is great. It fits in my hands pretty well, and my hands are like small, medium sized, so I think this would work pretty good for large hands as well, and it's great for small hands. The triggers are nice. All these buttons are really nice. But I'll cover more of that in another video. So that's the actual unboxing, and this controller is pretty good. So yeah guys, that was the Gamesir T4 Mini unboxing video. I hope you liked it. I know I did. The controller seems really cool. It's really small as well. Great for gaming on the go, like I said. Personally, I love it. You can find it for about 20, maybe 30, 40 bucks on Amazon. So pretty good price as well. Otherwise, you might have to get like an Xbox or a PS4 controller, PS5 now, I guess, for much more. So this is pretty good price, pretty good controller. And if you want a more detailed review kind of video, then I might consider making it. Maybe if we get enough likes, then I'll consider making it. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.